Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website and attract more customers. So I'm going to be covering the front page, the website, the Google Business Profile, as well as the backlinks. So let's start with your front page. First of all, I want to tell you that I really like the visuals over here. These videos are really engaging. I can see that you have the links to your social media accounts, the click to call button, the contact us form over here. And in general terms, it is a links to the services that you provide. And in general terms, it's a well laid out front page, very easy to navigate, very appealing. And you're making it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. In terms of the amount of content, right now it has 385 words. So let's have a look at two of your competitors for the HVAC segment. So we have Air Treatment Inc. These guys have around 648 words, and Gentry Air Inc. They have 391 words. And why did I mention content? Because it's through content that you're able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords, or basically the way people perform their search in Google when they want to acquire your services. And to be optimized for Google, the sweet spot is to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words, because you're going to be able to push through more relevant keywords. But so that's something just to bear in mind. But in general terms, well done with your website and the visuals. It's looking really nice. So I came here to the Google search and I type in Plumbers Greensboro, North Carolina. The first section that you see is actually the Google Ads, and they are really good at driving traffic and getting leads immediately. Then you have the Google Business Profile, and you can actually see that you are ranking on the second position. This section is really important because it is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you need to be listed on directories. That's what we call citations. And the details on those directories, such as name, address, and phone number, need to be exactly the same as those on your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify them and can rank you at the top. And the third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search, and I also found you are ranking for plumbers on the first page of Google. So let's have a look at the HVAC segment. So when I come here to the HVAC segment, the story is a little bit different. You are not ranking, you are not appearing in the Google Business Profile, and you are not on the front page. So to rank at the top, you need something that we call backlinks. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool, I am looking at the back end of your website, and I can see that there are 125 external websites that are directing traffic towards your website through 697 links. If I have a look at Air Treatment Inc., these guys have 312 external websites that are directing traffic through 3,350 backlinks. And Gentry Air, these guys have 55 external websites directing traffic through 497 links. So it's important to have a look at this backlink profile because this is one of the factors that Google takes into consideration when it ranks the websites, because Google wants to provide the most relevant results to its users, right? So this is one of the mechanisms that is going to signal to Google which website is perhaps the most relevant um, and the most it's going to help you rank as an authority because Google is going to start regarding your website as an authority in that particular topic. And it's not only about the number of backlinks but also about the quality of those backlinks. So just make sure that those backlinks are sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide and to your industry. Now your website is being found for 172 organic keywords, so let's have a look at those. In this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times these keywords are searched for per month. And the position is in which position you're appearing, your website is appearing in the Google Organic Search. So you can see here that you're actually ranking very well for all of those services that are related to plumbing. So Plumber Greensboro, Plumbing Services Greensboro, Plumbing Services, you're in the 5th position, and the search volume is quite high. If I have a look at HVAC. So let's filter out by back, you are not ranking for any keyword. But if I have a look at air treatment ink, they are being found for 2,700 organic keywords. And in here, just without filtering, you can see that the search volume is 400, and because they're in the second position, they are able to drive 56 visits to their website. So just something to bear in mind is perhaps just have a look at and revisit the content for the HVAC segment and all of the segments that you actually, all of the type of services that you provide, to identify what are those keywords that have a higher search volume associated to them, so that you can target those keywords and include them in your website so that Google can start ranking you for those, and also build that backlink profile so that you can rank for those keywords. And that's all I really wanted to share with you. I hope that you like this video and that you find it insightful. Please feel free to use this information, and please don't forget to give me some feedback. My name is Viviana and my contact details are at the bottom of the email. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.